Hello, and thank you for joining us for the Huawei Mate 70 Pro teardown video, part of the TechInsights teardown video series. Finally, in November, Huawei released the Mate 70 product family and the new foldable Mate X6. Both new product lines focus on cameras, AI, and Huawei's Harmony OS Next. Huawei did not elaborate nor hint to any of the phones having the rumored HiSilicon 9100, which we can confirm we have not found in any of the new models that we have torn down so far. The new Huawei Mate 70 Pro, which we have here, is just one of 4 models in Huawei's new Mate product family. The specific model is the PRL AL00, which has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, of which 50 gigabytes is used for the Harmony OS. Log into the TechInsights platform to watch this Huawei Mate 70 Pro teardown video and to learn more about what the TechInsights analysts have found so far in the new Huawei flagship smartphone. TechInsights is the leading source in teardowns of consumer and automotive electronics. We follow a systematic and comprehensive approach for all of our teardown analysis to uncover valuable information about each device's design, function, and performance. As a subscriber, you do have access to thousands of electronic devices on our platform, as well as up-to-date views of upcoming teardowns on our roadmaps.